Yeah, this birada na po tani. Guys. So cool lang tayo ngayon. Kasi snowing outside. So murag naganahan ko ani among workout guys. Kining walking ba? Fat burning ko na rin. Ugi. So, simple lang itong himuon, guys. You know. You know. So, guys, ano. Remises man ang mga moves na yoga-yoga niya. Ato So, may maayo niya. But yung YouTube. That's why yun not what we expected. Sana. I-informa na ito mag-jogging pants na. Ugi kayo. Ay, Lord. So, doon kayong mga tao nga, sige, pangutan na ba? Asa ko nung kuga trabaho. Balo naman ka. Kita naman ka sa mga sinina na to diha, Taga na. Rescue. Shit. Ay. So guys, sugdan na to ang inclined, okay? 12.5. Ya, quickie rin niya to ang tirada ron. Guys, that's the reason behind nga nung mag 12.5 inclined ang atong lakaw. Ay, it's very effective. So dating runner, ngayon walker na. Oh, lima. Okay. That's good. Okay, guys. Ang legs na to. Paano ba? Saka na. Oh, shit. What's going on here? Okay. Sakit sila akong mga legs, guys. Grabe. Pamaol ba? Sakit. Saka ng heart rate. Damn. Boring eh, boring. Yay. Yes, tanaw na to niya. Para malingaw ta. Eh. Whew. It's good.
But yeah, like position should be more like this, and then you're doing like this. It's no, not take off. Like the same weight I want to try. Yeah, I always do at home. The lifting like this, like this, like this, like this. Much better for back training. So, you will show this the one? I don't know. But I saw this in videos on the YouTube. They explain about technique. And this. It's not heavy. But can you hold them up, please? I will just. What's happening? They are joking or what? They are joking or what?
Oh guys,
Like the map is heavy, but
dami.
what? Who are you? I'm just here. I will show you this again, yeah? For the back, we usually do a little bit another exercise, but maybe. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. Heavy? Guys, you are joking? I don't know, guys, what do you mean? Like they do like this, your lips? Yes, then you do it like this. This one. It's much better, but you mean it's heavy? Why you look at me like crazy? What? The bar? What I mean is giving you strange like your back. Also we do it like back deadlift or something like that, but it's like up. Guys. It's a fake, right? This is okay, fake to you. I will go back to my job. I will go back to my job also. You don't like my uniform? It's okay. Sorry guys, I don't understand what's going on. Yes? It's a pleasure. Thank you guys. I'm sorry guys. It's fake. I'm sorry guys. Thank you very much. Okay? Yes? Oh, so yeah, like this one. Thank you. Thank you. But if I don't understand.
Guys, singot ako. Kita mo? Lakaw-lakaw lang gani pero inclined. Mano kay magtunga sa bukid. Oh. Ala mo sa inyong balay. Exercise na. Tanaw TV, ano ba? No?
It's not heavy.
Pero tanaw lang ang TV, wag ka mag-exercise. Di ka. Okay ra gyapon na. No? Exercise pa.
It's for what exercise? For goats. No, you have very good technique. But if 3 years I'm cleaning like every day. Maybe that's why I'm sorry. I'm cleaner. My name is Anatoly. But Julian, nice to meet you. Anatoly. I am like trainer here, you know? Yes. I don't know. One day it's my dream to be like you guys. To be a trainer. Thank you very much. The powerlifting, you know, about powerlifting, about push-ups, and my specialization is abs. Yes, maybe you need trainer, like personal. Sorry? So, yeah. My name is Anatoly. It's my first time in the gym.
So, what is your goal? Powerlifting?
Yes, powerlifting. Deadlift, squat, bench press, it's my yes. Like this is very good for abs, you know. I have a powerlifting competition in 3 weeks. I don't have time, but I need to be strong. Yes, it's possible. Okay, so let's go. Show me the effect. Like this. Maybe I need to train. Call me anytime, Julia.
Okay.
Yes?
Anytime.
Anytime. Wow. It's
Hello.
Oh. No, it's my first time ever, but yes. Sorry, right? My name is Anatoly, I have a personal session today. But, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, my balls. Okay.
Whew.
Like this. And yes. Can I check here? It's not from overlifter. Like, yes, I have a competition here in Dubai after 3 weeks. Yeah, my goal is sport. I train at home. I'm from country village, but I don't know. This is like position I think it's easy. Can I try it? Yes. But push-ups with lopata, you know.
No, the moves, the squat, everything, right?
Yeah. I look video every night. Yeah, I look video with Larry Wheel. After that. Oh, balance. Yeah. Correctly. I don't know where to do. Okay.
You want to change?
Change? No. It's my favorite training form.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. I know deadlift. It's my first barbell in the life. Is it good or not?
Don't worry.
Maybe can you try one more?
No.
No. I'm sorry, but I don't know the technique. You need support? No. I'm sorry, but I don't know it. I think it's easy. Oh. I never be a powerlifter, but it's my dream. I'm sorry that maybe can I show you my dream way? It's possible for visualization only. Or you know that deeply. Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes, it was so pain, you know.
Is my pain in your knees?
A little bit. Больно для меня. Sit down. I think I need 4 or 5 plays like this. I'm sorry. Can you make photo for me? Is this leg is possible? Yeah, I'm not down. I'm sorry. But I am currently dying, but I am very good dude. I think it's good, yeah?
It's terrible, man.
Yes. Just photo. Okay. Can I try? Little bit try.
No, wait.
No, a little bit. All good trainer.
No.
Nobody believe in you. You lost the light of Karon, but you still are looking at your dream and say, until, oh.
Maybe let's put on a little bit of weight.
You're very fast like me with golf, you know. It's very good technique. Okay, I'm ready. Like this trainer. Oh. Maybe it's my music in my friend. I don't know. I love it. Oh, give me time. I'm sure. Good. Yes, good with effect music. I'm sorry.
wow.
Cameraman here. It's his friend. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yep, I need 200 kilos minimum, you know. Yes. It's 180 kilos, yes? 30 kilos?
171.
Only. You see my video? Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I can't right here. Sorry. For photo, only for motivation, you know? No, of course. Yeah, can it? Okay.
May klaro rin, eh?
Yes. How far you lift the 30 kilos? This will mean at least like 8. That's right.
Can I click? I'm sorry.
Year or 2 years more.
2 years.
2 years.
I don't have 2 years. My whole rush right now. For my girlfriend, for my mom. Hello, mom. Oh, dad. It's my way. Oh. We do it like this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. It's go back. Oh, it's good exercise. I'm strong. And one more. It's for Instagram. And can I little bit? Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, it's my favorite. Yes. I like doing like this. Like this. Oh. I don't know. Maybe it's a fake trainer. It's not fake. It's not fake? It's my goal. I'm for victory, yes? I'm clear. My name is Anatoly. See you guys. And I think I'm vlogger, you know? Oh, cameraman. Yeah. It's a friend, brother. I'm sorry. Oh, that's the best, bro.
Okay, so yeah. So mo na guys, ang practice ka uphill na. Lakap lang sa ka. Ayun, imo na nandaga nun. In case nimo ang speed, as you move up, climb up, you will be fine, right? I think yes. See? So 3 pa na ang west, kaya kayo. See? 3. Huh. 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 3.5. Huh. Huh. Sakit kaya. Ah.
Baby, can I show you the best technique?
Yeah, to stay around. Make it chase because we had a tough play around.
About like the position, like position a little bit wrong. Why you laughing? Why you laughing? Like biceps, by the way. I can say today biceps. One of my biceps is my mom. I'm serious. Like you can go like 4 feet back and just and do better for muscle. Who is it? You? I don't do the dumbbells. I never
Okay.
tried the dumbbells. Only this stuff I do. Because, but my dream is to do something like about technique. Yeah. Are you sure? What do you mean? And can you hold the bucket, please? 90. My mom even favored this. Yes, honestly, I was just. What do you mean? Just like this, like maybe. What do you mean? Oh, yes. Oh, it feels good. What's happening next? It's what I thought. This thing is going to done. It looks like you're joking and you're just laughing, but so for the technique, we usually do it like usually like this. Like so, yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Can't get a look when you want to chase up.
But I feel like my monkey can tell them what my back. Yes, technique like this, and then you will just pull it like this, and do the pause here. 90. I don't know why. No. It's like nothing, but it is really. Like this. Like this. Some people do it. I don't like this avant because it's annoying. Some people always do it. No, it is humor. It's not heavy, right? What do you mean it's heavy? What heavy? It's like regular map. I was just mapping every day like this. Like this technique from the back, but I don't really like from the back. Just this one better. Like this piece in here.
So guys, 23 minutes na ko doon sa treadmill. See? Kita niya. So di lang nimo mahibalan ba. Imagine magtanaw kag movie niya. Diri ka sa treadmill.
Like finger.
So that's one way of
What do you mean? I don't know what you mean, guys. I'm sorry. I need to go to clean the toilet, I'm sorry.
Tricking yourself, guys. Para,
Sorry for YouTube.
ano na ka ba?
Can we clean here? It's no problem. It's good for you though, yeah? It's just the advice. I'm sorry for the battery. Okay. It's for happy, this exercise. It's for YouTube, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, I am tired.
Oh, I like YouTube. Oh. Be careful, brother. It's a really good way.
Yeah, really.
How much here?
180.
It's like blogger, famous, you know. Can we do with you? Is it possible? Yeah. This?
Yeah.
But I think it's I'm sure. One life, bro.
Your back?
My back not good, but I think it's good for back.
Yeah, let's try, but be careful.
Which your weight? What your weight? 50. Maybe.
They thought I lost a stepping.
Oh, like this.
So is what I'm
Let's go, Anatoly. Okay, okay. Oh. Yes. You know the number of hospital here?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah? It's very good. Oh. 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 My glasses. Thank you. Hello, YouTube. Yeah, let's go. Have a good day. See you. Oh, it's good for my warm-up, you know.
Warm up.
Oh. I'm on what it.
How old are you?
See. Mm-hmm. This playing here or not? It's for YouTube. 65, but I'm 23 in my car. Thank you. Oh, are you huge? But I think no strong. This for biceps, yeah? I know, yeah. You have big biceps. It's for abs, yeah? Yes, yeah, nice. Maybe can I show you the best technique?
Yeah.
This, okay? I show you. Oh, can I do with you? Yeah, I think I need more of this. Yeah, let's go. Oh, yes. Oh, oh, and this. Oh, 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 this technique. Oh, I'm sure you.
Make it change so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had a tough play around. Let's quit playing around. Me,
One more.
let's keep it clean.
It's very good for abs. I do this as exercise every morning. Every morning, but it's in my abs. Yeah, it's good. Are you next? One more. Oh, good warm up. Have a nice day. Oh. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. And up, yeah. Good. Mm-hmm. Very good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hey, you probably have some title. Do you have any title? Like working championships, like regional? I have best janitor of the year, gustong.
Oh, it's good. Can I clean here? No problem. Of course, yeah. You blogger?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this. I watch YouTube every evening.
Oh, the whole clean at 2000, guys. Just clean 2009. All of these are the real standards that we have. It's hard to earn them, you know, and I can earn my qualification over the
Where are you from? It's my dream.
Yeah.
My dream is living in LA. Maybe we will live together in LA. It's possible.
Yeah, you can totally find it there.
I need visa. Maybe.
Can I do some with you? Sure. Just a second. Hey, can you hold it? Wait, what's the weight here? 200?
You can give me your passport? Look at me. I'm bigger than you. Oh, it's my favorite. Like Arnold Hello, YouTube. Oh, you are huge, man. You are big. Oh, is natural arms?
Yeah.
Is natural?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, it's better to work, son. Come on, help me. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, you were going to do it.
it's good way. Can I do with you? No? Ah, okay. Oh, give me 1 minute, okay? It's my morning.
No, you go first. Oh, no, I prepared it for you. Okay, I'm kidding. I'll try now. Oh, you have to be careful.
Hello, mom. I will be popular. Okay. I have one secret. Me too, YouTuber. The YouTube account in. Oh, up, 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 oh, oh.
Listen to your body. If it's too painful, don't do it. Oh, next time, body, don't tear yourself up. Let me help you. Thanks a lot.
How is it? My YouTube channel is Vladimir Shmondenko. And anyways, it's my operator. It's my cameraman.
Yeah.
It's a friend. Oh, 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 good. Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Oh, shit, bro. One, two, three, four.
It's my favorite. I do like this because before, you know, who is this guy? You know, yeah. Oh, oh. Sorry, Christina, yes? Anatoly. I'm ready today with you. Yes. I want big arms, I want big. What's the noise? Sorry. It's annoying. Oh shit. I want to be like strong and sorry. It is really in this next time in the gym. But I am newbie. This exercise for back? I'm sorry. Yeah. Can I do it? Is it possible? I'm sorry. No, what? Oh, no. I have fun. Oh, я так переживаю, когда вы сзади меня. Oh, good. It's my favorite. I do like this because before. I'm sorry, I feel my voice. I feel all my dream. I thought you can make like this. Let's be here. Maybe you need milk. It's homemade milk. I'm from countryside. I'm from village. Maybe some eggs. Maybe no friends here. Like this. I'm sorry for this because I'm cleaner, but I like this. I'm sorry. I like it. It's my favorite dumbbell. Yeah, I tell this. I tell. I need. Like this. It's my favorite. I'm funny. I'm sorry. Have a good day. Have a good day. Sorry. maybe it's a small weight or not. I won't feel like losing it. Yeah, of course. Guys, this was amazing. Like, the sound, like, the second bar. Сейчас мы найдем зонтик быстро. Christina, is it good weight or not? I think it's good for my ego. We can do that. Also, oh, it's good. Oh, it's for my ego. It's for all girls in this gym. Good boy. I'm sorry. What is the technique like this bar? Show me a little bit how you do it. I already worked like a whole day here. Right. Yes, this is your legs in this position. Yeah. Like this. And upper chest and chest. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm doing it again. It's okay. Let's go. Good. Yes, it's for chest exercise. Yes, for chest. Yeah. My dream is big chest and it's very big legs for me. I need this. And you have maybe one more trainer if you want to trust it. It's like it's and the belt is like I'm sorry.
So guys, katanaw sa kay mag-shovel ko. So, peace out.
It's